All right, so I am done for work. I'm done with work for today. And I wanted to share a little something about wash and goes. Wash and goes are where you shampoo your hair, you condition your hair, you apply your leave-in. After you do that, you're going to use whatever moisturizing agent that you choose, and then you're going to apply I apply foam and then I apply gel. Then I sit under a dryer and then I wear my hair. You know, it'll be curly because my hair is curling. Whatever your natural curl pattern is when you do decide to wear wash and go, it's going to be, that's just what it's going to be. It's going to be enhanced by the product. Like say for instance, if you use a gel, the gel is going to hold the curl. Okay, hold the curl. That's what it did. But over time of wearing that wash and go, you're going to enter into some frizz. Okay, and this is what this is what I have. Some frizz. I got some curls up in here. This is what I ended up with. I'm gonna turn around so you can see the back. And this is what it is in the back, y'all. So when you hear wash and go, a wash and go, you have a couple of processes. It is not simply shampoo, condition, leave. It's shampoo, condition, leave-in, moisturizing agent, foam, gel, dryer, go. So it's still a process. You can wear the wash and go for a couple of days. I think I've had this wash and go in 4 days. After a couple of days, you have to rehydrate, or you're going to start turning into a Lion King. As you can see, I'm looking real big, and the longer I go with it like this, the more frizzy it's going to get, unless I go back in with more water and more foam, and then maybe a little bit more gel. And you can do that for probably, I would say, 2 weeks, and then just go back in and do the whole shampoo, condition, leave-in, moisture and rising agent, some foam, and then some gel. And then you can wear it again for another 2 weeks. But the longer you go without doing anything to it, when it's in the wash and go state, the more frizzy it's going to get, and the bigger it's going to get, and the less curl definition you're going to have. And if you like it like that, cool. If you don't, then you can use you'll go back in and do some more of the gel, or well, I always say use foam first, to make sure the hair is completely moisturized, and then go in with the gel. But if you don't, you're gonna end up with stuff like this. And see, so my hair does have curls, right? But I got frizz. But when I wet it, it's going to still have curl. You understand? So if you don't have curly hair naturally, if your hair does not wave or curl or coil in the bowl, you're not going to end up with that if you use any other product. I don't care what somebody shows you or tells you or anything like that. The hair is not going to change because you put the product on, unless you're using a chemical, which is going to relax the current curl pattern and give you more of a looser curl pattern, but it's not going to give you what you don't have by nature. It's a natural hair kind of day. Enjoy this little bit of information.